Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into two sections and have each section against each other, making it into a thicker braid and secure the end with the wrap band. Drop the braid into the left loop on a twisted band and make it come down. So continue doing it until you form a lovely bun and secure a tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by dropping a beautiful hairband on top of that. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, making a twist up band. With the remaining section of the hair, along with the tail we have it as a ponytail and have a wrap band. Touch top middle part of it and stretch the middle part and stuff the tail into it, making it as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin through the wrap band to twist the band. Stretch the bun for more volume. Hold your ponytail on top and have a beautiful hair cluster attached to the bottom of it, and with the remaining tail we have comb it and have a wrap band attached to the middle part of it. Bend the tail down, stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band. Also stuff it inside the middle part, making it completely hidden and making it into a bun, and move the lump downwards by having a big black hairpin to it. Stretch the bun for more volume, apply some hair wax and comb your hair. Go for a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair, and with the remaining section of the hair we have out of the ponytail, make it as a loopy manner by pinching out the hair on that one. Then with the ponytail we have split it into two sections and have each section into three parts and have it into a thicker braid, but pinch out the hair the sides to make it into a loopy braid and secure the end with the wrap band. Do the exact same braiding for the right tail and make them cross over each other and continue doing it until you form a bun and have it in place by dropping little hairpin and decorate with a lovely hairpin on top of that. Hold your ponytail on top and have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom of it, and bring the tail back and apply some hair wax onto your hair and comb it completely. Then have a wrap band touch the middle part of it, bend the tail over and stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band and stuff it inside the middle part, making it completely hidden. Then have the whole bun in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin to the wrap band. Go for the ponytail once again and create a gap underneath it using both of your thumb and push your entire ponytail into it. Make it go to the top and loosen the wrap band a little bit down to make the process easier. So continue stuffing it until you reach the tips. With the remaining tips we have it twisted and make it hidden by hiding it over the hair. Then after that decorate your hairstyle by dropping a lovely hair cluster on top of the gap we created. Go for a lovely ponytail and with the last loop of the wrap band create a lump at the bottom and loosen the wrap band a little bit downwards and create a gap behind your ponytail using a finger. Drop the entire lump into it and also the excess tips into that as well. Then close it by combing your hair and moving it onto that. Then dropping your favorite hair cluster on top of the pan we created. Insert a very long bun makeup behind your ponytail vertically and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden. Then once when you do that, roll the ponytail into an anti-clockwise direction, making it as a bun and continue twisting it and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created. Have the whole smooth bun in place by dropping a little wrap band over that. Then decorate your hairstyle by moving the pretty tip to the side of it. Have a ponytail and straighten it down from top to bottom using a simple bun maker and roll it from bottom externally and make it to the top and have it in place by bending the bun maker down and hide the excessive bun maker by extending the hair against that. And to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your favorite hairpin at the right side of it or wherever position you want it. Do have a lovely collection of hairpin depending on your fashion choice. Go for a ponytail, split it into three equal parts and have it braided. It's a very simple braid. First cross the first two tails and cross the other two so that the first tail goes to the third place and comes back to the first place. So this is how you should braid it. So once when you do the braiding, pinch out the braid sides to make it into a loopy braid and secure the end with the wrap band. Then once when you complete that, have the braid roll into a clockwise direction, make it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created. Have the whole bun in place by dropping little hairpin and decorate with a lovely hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.